Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the end of the month of March 2020 and all the sketches that I had made. What a month we've had. Things are so different from the beginning of the month. I wanted to show you all of the pages that I completed for this month, and I wanted to start with this one. This was the first one. So what I did, and I didn't even mention it till later on, that each one of I used a sketch for each layout, and then I started the week 1 with 1 photo, week 2 2 photos, 3 photos, 4 photos, because we had 5 Mondays for the month of March, so that's why we have 4 layouts. Normally we just have 3, but a couple 2-3 times a year we have 4. It's all fun, it's all good. Okay, so let me show you the pages that I completed, and I'll show you what I have left over. So this is the first one, of course, and I use a lot of the scraps that I had. This is Sophie. She is sitting on my computer while I was making this page. I think I made this page in February, no, maybe January. Anyway, so yeah, so that's this one, and then here is my 2-page photo. And another kitty cat photo. This is my grand kitty cat. Her name is Josie, and she lives with my daughter Jules in Michigan. And once again, I chose a sketch that had lots of layers so I could use a lot of the scraps that I had. And then the flowers I had pulled out from my bin of flowers. Barely made a dent. I mean, I say you don't even make a dent. I was able to use a little bow. See how cute that is. And then this is the 3rd week. These are the twins, and I don't think I put the title on at the end of the video. I don't know what was with me, but anyways, it's called Twice the Fun, and I used another bow. And once again, the colors aren't right, but if you look at the video, you'll be able to see this is really a hot pink. It looks kind of a peachy color. It is not. All right, and then this is the last one. This is, here, I'll show. It looks like this. I still have yet to do the journaling. I think I'm gonna put a journaling box right here. And let me get it straight on here. And anyway, I haven't completed that. And I pulled these flowers from my flower bin. Love the way that this turned out, to be honest with you. It is a little different. It's a little more plain than what I'm used to. So the papers that I have left over, you see this floating in here, and it is a little blinding, is this, it's pink and green, I think it's like 2 shades of green stripe. That is the only 12 by 12 paper I have. And let me show you of all of the scraps that I have. I had a lot of scraps, but I don't really have that much now. So I had trimmed this one from the last week. Here is the hot pink. Here's some more yellow. That's a green, the hot pink. I'm going to put them by color because more than likely I'm going to save, I'm not going to save that little piece. I didn't use this little pocket though. I'll just save that for another time. And now that's kind of an odd piece to save, but I could punch things out of that. And here is a little sliver. This is watercolor paper that I've watercolored. And this paper, I think I'm going to just go ahead and toss. I don't know if you can see. It is Liddell marked. Yeah, he bit through my paper. I think it was him. So these 2 pieces are going to go in the trash. That is it for the paper. When it came to like the stickers and the cardstock, I pulled these out. I think I may have used just one. I did use a few, so that was nice to get that used up. I did use a few. I know I used some hearts here, so that was about it. I used quite a few of these things. A lot of the little pieces I used, a lot of the black elements. And then I really like these LE Studio Alpha. So those I used on every layout. I don't think I had any. Did I have any large alpha? I don't think so. Let me look. Did I use any large alpha? I don't think I did. Nope. Nope, I sure did not. You know, I didn't even think about it, to be honest with you. I love the way it turned out. Okay, so here are all of my flowers. I still have them. Not sure why this is in there. So, yeah, there's still a bunch in here. So I'll just keep that. That is that. And then the pieces that are in here. So I had pulled some of these sequins. Now these were from Close to My Heart. I Heart sequins, and they're already have the little sticky on the back, and it came in these beautiful colors. I don't know, can you see? If I let me fix this. I don't think you could really, I did them justice to start with. So look how pretty. Kind of a purple color, and this is a mint green and a yellow and a white. Those are nice. I also pulled these, oops, but I don't think I used any of the bigger ones. Don't think I did. And as for wash, oh here, I had several flare, and I used quite a few of those. This is the only one I didn't use. When it came to the washi, I think I used this one the most. It's a green color. And then I used this just a little bit, this gold with the scalloped edge. And then this doesn't want to stay rolled up, but this is the iridescent. And it is like a sticker. So you peel it off and you put it on, and I did use it at least in week 1. I had made some of these little bows. Yeah, and I used them, I know, at least on 2 of the pages. I think I like the ones that have the band that goes across the middle. They stay better. So I think when I do these again, I'm going to use this as a base, because I have a die. Oh, I don't even know where it is right now. 3 different sizes. So here's one size, and then here's the other size, and there's one other size besides these 2. So anyway, oh, here's another flare I didn't use. This has the days of the week. All right, so that's what I have left over. And I want to say thanks, guys, for joining me this month. Next month, for the month of April, you are going to love the inspiration that Kathy has put together. She is ready for spring. Yep, we're ready for a change, and we're ready for some happiness. And the colors that she's chosen are definitely that. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you check out the other ladies. Thanks to Ronnie and to, I'm sorry, I get them confused. Krista, thanks for joining us this month, for being our guest. And we're going to have 2 new guests next month. And anyway, I'll leave links to their channels below, as well as our Facebook challenge group. Anyway, it was great having you guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.